located in Mesopotamia's fertile plains between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, thrived with strategic access to waterways for trade. Its iconic structures rose above the flat landscape, shaped by irrigation systems. This geographical context enriched its history, culture, and enduring legacy.
Unearthed in the forecourt of a temple palace at Tel Halaf, Syria, is a colossal statue of a bird of prey. The Pergamon Museum houses a remarkable depiction of the weather god Hadad, originating from ancient Mesopotamia. Revered as a deity governing storms, rain, and fertility, Hadad is portrayed with a muscular physique, donning a horned helmet and a flowing beard. The lower torso carries an Aramaic inscription that introduces, "I am Panamua, son of Jaudi." I placed this Hadad statue at my eternal resting place. The Kingdom of Samel, an ancient state in the Near East, holds a presence within the Pergamon Museum. Known for its strategic location and cultural significance, the kingdom's artifacts provide glimpses into its historical heritage. Among the museum's treasures, Samelian inscriptions and sculptures shed light on the kingdom's rulers, customs, and achievements. The artifacts from the Kingdom of Samel underscore the museum's commitment to preserving and sharing the stories of diverse civilizations that shaped the ancient world. The largest Hittite sanctuary, dating back to the 12th–13th century BC during the rule of Tudalia IV, finds representation in a plaster cast within the museum. The museum's Hittite reliefs offer a window into the pantheon of gods worshipped by this civilization, shedding light on their cosmology, rituals, and societal values. This monumental creation offers a glimpse into the religious and architectural achievements of the Hittite civilization, capturing the essence of a bygone era. The Iana precinct in Uruk reached its zenith during the late 4th millennium. It encompassed temples, mosaic-adorned halls, baths, and a reception palace. Fired clay or gypsum cones, about 10 centimeters long, were meticulously arranged in mud plaster on surfaces. Painted black, red, or white, They featured matting-like designs, also offering protection against the elements, enhancing both aesthetics and practicality. Goddess Inanna was venerated in a terraced court with columns, accessible through podium-like extensions. Cone mosaics with colored heads, employed as architectural embellishments since the mid-4th millennium, became emblematic of Inanna's ritual and representative structures. The Code of Hammurabi, a comprehensive collection of Babylonian laws, was developed during the reign of Hammurabi, 1792 to 1750 BCE. This legal code includes 282 case laws inscribed on a diorite stela in Babylon's Temple of Marduk. Covering economic, family, criminal, and civil matters, the code aimed to unify Semitic and Sumerian traditions, going beyond tribal customs. The Victory Stele of Esarhaddon is an ancient artifact that celebrates the military triumphs of King Esarhaddon of the Neo-Assyrian Empire. Created around 670 BCE, this bas-relief sculpture showcases the king's conquests and features inscriptions detailing his achievements. Depicting scenes of warfare, captives, and divine blessings, the stele provides insights into the ideology of the Assyrian rulers and their interactions with the divine. The Assyrian basalt water basin from the Temple of Ashur represents an essential archaeological artifact. Hailing from the ancient city of Ashur, the capital of the Assyrian Empire, this basin likely played a vital role in the temple's operations. Crafted from durable basalt, it functioned as a reservoir for water storage. The Processional Way of Babylon, leading to the iconic Ishtar Gate, was a magnificent pathway in the ancient city of Babylon, renowned for its grandeur and artistic splendor. Adorned with vibrant glazed bricks and intricate reliefs, this ceremonial route was dedicated to the Babylonian goddess Ishtar. While the original Processional Way and Ishtar Gate are located in Iraq, a reconstructed version of the Ishtar Gate and fragments of the Processional Way are on display at the Pergamon Museum in Berlin. These remarkable artifacts offer a glimpse into the opulence and cultural significance of ancient Babylon. The Ishtar Gate, crafted circa 575 BCE in ancient Babylon, remains a marvel of architectural and artistic achievement. This monumental entranceway showcased stunning blue-glazed bricks adorned with intricate depictions of dragons and bulls. Originally situated in Babylon, Iraq, a reconstructed version now resides at the Pergamon Museum in Berlin. The gate's resplendent design and historical significance provide a vivid glimpse into the advanced craftsmanship and cultural opulence of ancient Mesopotamia, immortalizing the legacy of Babylon and its devotion to deity and artistry. The Market Gate of Miletus, erected in the 2nd century CE in the ancient city of Miletus, now in Turkey, stands as a remarkable example of Roman architectural and artistic excellence. Serving as an entrance to the bustling market, this monumental gateway showcases intricate reliefs that capture both mythological narratives and scenes of daily life. The gate's elaborate design exemplifies the fusion of aesthetics and functionality in Roman engineering. Discovered by German archaeologists in the late 19th century and later reconstructed at the Pergamon Museum in Berlin, the gate allows us to witness the ingenuity of ancient craftsmanship. As a tangible link to the past, the Market Gate of Miletus offers a glimpse into the vibrant urban landscape of Roman cities, highlighting their cultural and commercial significance. The Orpheus Mosaic, a captivating work of ancient art, depicts the legendary musician Orpheus in a mesmerizing scene. Created during the 3rd century CE, this mosaic showcases Orpheus playing his lyre amidst a lush landscape, surrounded by animals enchanted by his music. The Aleppo Room is a remarkable exhibit, originally paneling a reception room in a residential structure in Aleppo, Syria. Crafted by a Persian artist in 1603, these carved wooden panels portray biblical scenes with the Virgin Mary, Christ, and disciples.